Hi friends, welcome to Fabulous Chef. So in today's video, let's see how to make a very delicious village chicken recipe. This is an absolutely delicious and yummy recipe. So without further delay, let's get started and see the ingredients for this delicious village chicken. I've taken 1 kg of chicken, which is cut into medium pieces, 20 shallots which is chopped, 15 dried red chilies which is deseeded, 3 pieces of cinnamon, 8 pieces of cloves and 4 pieces of cardamom. We also need 1 small piece of stone flour, 1 handful of curry leaves. Now let's take a pan. Into the pan add about 4 tablespoons of coconut oil. We also need about 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Now let's keep it aside. When the oil is nice and hot, let's start adding the spices. Let's add the cinnamon, the cardamom, the cloves and the stone flour. Now let's add the dried red chilies. You can alter the chilies according to your taste. Remove the seeds before adding it to the hot oil. Let's stir fry it till it becomes a nice dark red color. At this stage, let's add a handful of curry leaves. Now, let's add the chopped shallots. Today I'm adding about 20 numbers of shallots, which is chopped. Now stir fry it for about 2 to 3 minutes till the shallots become nice and translucent. Always remember to keep the flame in medium. Now you can see that the shallots are nice and translucent. So at this stage, let's add about 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. And stir fry it till all the aroma is well released in the oil. Now let's add the chicken. Always remember to wash the chicken with some turmeric and salt to remove all the raw smell from the chicken. Now let's add about 1 tablespoon of salt. Mix everything thoroughly and close the pan with a lid. Do not add water. In a few minutes you can see that the water from the chicken is released in the pan. The chicken has started releasing the water. This water is more than sufficient for the chicken to cook. But always remember to keep the flame in low so that it allows the chicken to cook well in the water. Mix it thoroughly and check the salt. Now at this stage, let's add about 1 teaspoon of chili powder. If you like it less spicy, you can also add about 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder instead of the normal chili powder. Now let's take about half a coconut, grate it and add it into a mixer jar. Let's add about 1 cup of water, grind it into a fine paste and extract the first thick coconut milk from the coconut and keep it aside. Once the chicken is well cooked and all the water is absorbed by the chicken, let's add the thick coconut milk into the gravy. This gives a nice creamy texture to the gravy. Mix everything thoroughly and check the seasoning once again. Once the gravy starts boiling, let's add about 1 handful of curry leaves. So if you want a gravy consistency, you can switch off the flame at this stage and serve it hot. But today I'm making a dry consistency. So let us boil the gravy for some more time till the gravy becomes nice and thick. Now let's close the pan and allow the gravy to become nice and thick. At this stage, let's check the seasoning one more time. Now finally, let's garnish the gravy with some finely chopped coriander leaves. Give it a quick mix. Check the seasoning, and our delicious village chicken is absolutely ready to be served. This gravy goes very well with idli, dosa or even chapati. So that's it friends, our delicious village chicken is absolutely ready. Do try this delicious recipe and let me know your comments. If you like this recipe, like, subscribe to my channel and keep watching Fabulous Chef. See you all soon with another interesting recipe.